Welcome. This is the first episode of Supervision 2.0 Startup Guide. We hope this guide is going to help you to get the best results with supervision and to make drying smarter. The first step is to connect the gateway device with the system cable. Note that the connector can only be inserted in a specific way. Do not use extensive force to do so because it may damage the connection pins in the connector. Connect the gateway to one of Corventa's ES machines. You connect the cable to one of the two data ports on the machine. Which one you choose does not matter. Turn on the machine if it is not already on. We now need to create a connection between supervision and the machine by creating a network. Use one of the larger menu buttons on the right or left side of the display to navigate to the network menu option. Then press the Create button located below the display. When the network is established, you get a confirmation on the display. One important thing to check before exit the setup is that the gateway is connected to the mobile network. We can check this by see if the datacom lamp on the gateway device lights is solid green. We can also check the datacom connection via the display on the ES machine.